There are a lot of cryptocurrency exchanges, as stated before, that can be used for starting your journey in crypto trading. Being a beginner in trading, it is always expected of you to be very careful with the complete process. However, since cryptocurrency trading can be tricky, it is very important to be aware of the major procedure that would help you set up a portfolio across any centralized exchange. Binance is known to be among the top-tier cryptocurrency exchanges that provide effective services to the users for cryptocurrency trading. For the ease of understanding the process, Binance would be the platform that would be used to explain how to get started with cryptocurrency trading. Register your accounts. The first step to trading across Binance would be setting up your account across the platform. For this, you are required to register a new account across Binance, which can be carried across their official sites. Access the main page of the Binance platform and tap on Register. The process requires the user to submit their email address and password for the accounts. Use an email that is particularly available on your device, as there are lots of verifications that need to be done while working across Binance. Fill out all the terms and service agreements, which would conclude the process of registering across the platform. Binance also provides users with the option of providing a phone number as another mode of login across the platform. This majorly proves helpful if the user is using the Binance mobile application. If a mobile number is provided within the account registering process, there are certain verifications that are to be done. Once the credential for the account is set forth, proceed to verifying your mail. A confirmation mail is sent to the official email address for verification. For allowing a foolproof operation across the platform, Binance demands an identity verification from the user. For this, the user can share their identity card as a form of verification or a passport showing they are an actual user with no scam. While sharing appropriate images of the identity card, followed by your own picture, the complete security procedure is completed across Binance. Once it is confirmed within a prescribed set of time, it is very convenient to trade across Binance with ease. After setting up appropriate security layers to protect the accounts, the next step requires the user to fund their account through appropriate means. Fund your accounts. When the time comes to fund your Binance accounts, there are 3 different directions that the user can take, depending on the conditions that prevail across the market. Binance allows users to buy cryptocurrency through 3 different procedures. Countries where there are no certain regulations of managing cryptocurrencies, you can deposit fiat currencies directly or even buy crypto through a debit or credit card. It surely sounds very easy, which it really is. Binance supports a lot of fiat currencies, which can be easily processed through bank transfer or band cards. There are different fiat channels available across the platform. Once the user has deposited certain fiat currency across their Binance wallet, they can buy cryptocurrency of their choice. As stated before, credit and debit cards can be a source of buying cryptocurrency directly. Rather than buying Tether USD, USDT for trading across the exchange, you can surely buy cryptocurrency through your banking cards directly. Simply move through the trading section and open any crypto coin that you wish to buy. Set up a value and simply buy the certain crypto against any fiat channel selected. With your card credentials added across the platform, buying and selling cryptocurrency gets extremely simple. The methods stated above are quite simple and effective. However, their workability is quite limited considering the policies adopted by the country that you live in. To cater this, Binance provides another method of buying cryptocurrencies, which is through peer-to-peer P2P trading. Although you can trade cryptocurrencies directly through this channel, it is advisable to only buy a stablecoin such as USDT, BUSD, etc. using your dedicated fiat currency. Once you have bought the respective currency, you can easily trade them with cryptocurrencies across spot trading or future trading. Perform your first trade across Binance. Once you are done with the process of registration followed by funding your wallet, you need to shift your funds to the spot or futures wallet, wherever you wish to start trading. Once you have logged in with your Binance account, tap on Exchange and select Basic from the drop-down menu that appears on the screen. Select any trading pair that you consider trading with your funds. Set up the type of trade that you want to cover, such as limit trade, stop limit, or market order. Figure out the amount that you want to trade and execute the trade successfully.